और मेरा पहला सवाल है आज मोहम्मद सुलेमान जी को, जो फाउंडिंग मेंबर है ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड के, एंड विद अस आल्सो इज तला अमीर रशीदी ऑफ द राष्ट्रीय उलमा काउंसिल, कपिल मदान backs the Congress party, and Aparajita Sarangi is a BJP member of parliament. मोहम्मद सुलेमान जी, या आप ये कांग्रेस पार्टी को सपोर्ट करना बंद कर दे, ऐसी पार्टी है कि कभी जीत नहीं सकती है, हारती है और इलेक्शन हारती रहेगी। इसीलिए ये शाहीन बाग की धमकी और दंगे की राजनीति, ये धमकी और दंगे की राजनीति से कुछ काम नहीं होने वाला।
आपका सवाल है या उपदेश है
जी?
You are questioning or putting a suggestion and sermoning.
Are you asking me something? Then I will answer. Are you asking me or I will answer? You want me to answer or you will only talk?
Yeah, I'm asking.
Good. So what I'm saying to you is, आप इसको मान लीजिए, Mr. Mohammed Suleiman, please show me respect. I'm saying Mohammed Suleiman ji, don't support the Congress party.
I'm showing you respect. You are torturing us by unnecessary anything.
I am saying that.
We are not supporting Congress.
I am saying that
we are neutral.
No, okay, you're neutral. Okay, good. You believe you are neutral. I don't believe you are neutral. You believe you are neutral. Who is stopping you?
You should be responsible media person.
Don't teach me about responsible media. Don't teach me about. I'm not the media. I'm not the media that supports Shaheen Bagh. I'm the anti-Shaheen Bagh media. I'm against the Shaheen Bagh model. That is my responsibility to the country. I'm against the blockage of roads. I'm against the blockage of ambulances.
People are insulting us. You are inviting people and insulting.
What is insulting? I'm saying I'm against the Shaheen Bagh model. What is insulting?
You.
I'm saying I'm against. I don't want the roads to be blocked, Mr. Suleiman.
You are putting irresponsible narrative before debate starts.
Okay, Mr. Suleiman, I will invite Aparajita Sarangi on the debate. Aparajita Sarangi.
You should have patience to listen us.
Okay, then speak.
If you are inviting everybody who is against the freedom of the speech, legitimate right, constitutional right of the minority.
Sir, I also have freedom of speech, Mr. Suleiman. You have freedom of speech, I also have.
To polarize your people, what does it mean?
What your people? I'm not polarizing. I'm not calling anyone your people.
You have not even given a single second to say responsible things.
No, you are just attacking me. I don't know.
Your behavior, India knows.
Okay, I'm a very bad person. I'm a very bad person, Mr. Suleiman. I am against the Shaheen Bagh model of blocking roads.
Yeah, if you are. No, your style.
What is wrong with my style?
Goswami, very well known.
What is wrong with my style?
What you intend and what you want to achieve out of it.
I want to achieve unity in this country.
People, the great leaders, great former leaders demanded what they due, what it was due, long due for them. And you say anarchy. It was a state-sponsored anarchy against farmers. 700 farmers were martyred, killed. And then partially they listened to farmers.
Why do you want to have street protests? You should win an election. You're a democracy. Mr. Suleiman, I heard you there. But I believe in democracy. I don't believe in the rule of the street. I do not believe in the rule of the street. I do not believe. You, on the other hand, are believing in street rule. I am against the rule of the street. I am against mob rule. I am against mob anarchy. I am against the use of force. I am against blocking roads. I am against these bad things. Mr. Suleiman, you should support me.
To remind their responsibilities. That is our legitimate right.
Anyway.
That is constitutional right of the Indian people. We are as Indian as you are.
You are giving a speech. You're not answering my question.
When we demand to protect our properties.
Aparajita Sarangi of the BJP. Miss Sarangi, listen to me, sir. I'm not alleging anything. I'm saying do anything. Do it peacefully. Don't block a road. Don't block. Rashid Alvi, Congress party wants you to block the roads. Don't help the Congress party. They are working against the interests of the country. Aparajita Sarangi, this Congress party wants another Shaheen Bagh model. They want the roads of the country blocked for a couple of years. What will be your response if that is the direction they take?
Permission has been sanctioned to her. We are peaceful, peace-loving people.
A
in
very good
India.
evening.
But you are
At the outset, let me tell you that this Waqf Bill 2025 has been brought about by the government with the best of intentions. We want proper governance of more than 8 lakh properties spread across the country. There is huge encroachment of these properties. The Muttawali, the caretaker, is not deriving the kind of income he or she should from the Waqf property. And there are huge numbers of vested interests which actually have to be taken care of.
Mr.
And that
Sulaiman,
is
please
why
listen
this
to her.
particular bill has been brought about. On 9th of August 2024, the Joint Parliamentary Committee was constituted with the orders of the Speaker in the Lok Sabha, and I was very much present there. And on 22nd of August 2024, the first meeting of the JPC was held, and I'm delighted to say that I'm a member of the JPC. For 6 full months, we all sat together and not less than 38 meetings were held. We also held discussions with about 284 organizations coming from different states of the country, union territories of the country. We moved to different states and UTs and interacted with organizations who could not make to Delhi. So I think it was a meticulous exercise, and in total we sat for 112 hours debating, deliberating, and having a very constructive dialogue pertaining to the 44 amendments that had been proposed by the government and that were in the bill. And after detailed deliberation, 655 pages report was submitted to the Speaker by Honorable Chairman of the committee. Now the basic intention is to ensure proper management of these Waqf properties. Now what's wrong if the government intends to bring about proper governance and management? Where is the government wrong? That's the whole question. We want to ensure proper accountability among those who are actually handling Waqf properties.
Mr. Sulaiman,
We want
by nominating members instead of being elected members, they are going to nominate. They are going to nominate non-Muslim in Waqf Council.
very important
For
and
those,
everything
and they are going to nominate
properties
even
Aparajita
a majority of the
and
non-Muslims.
that is why it
Can
has
you
been
do something?
categorically
Aparajita,
stated
louder.
in one of the
Can you do something?
proposed provisions that database would be created, and within 6 months of time, whatever the details of all the Waqf properties would be uploaded and everything would be in public domain. Everybody would be able to see.
And you are targeting who are not ready to listen, who are not ready to be ready with you.
And
Sir,
very
you
are-
likely,
Mr. Sulaiman, you are not listening to anyone. I want to share some facts with you tonight. Aparajita ji, just give me a moment.
Why should I listen and say this lady?
I just want to tell you the truth, and what you want to hide, Mr. Sulaiman. Mr. Sulaiman, listen to me.
Unnecessarily started disturbing me, continuously sitting in narrative while I was talking. What does it mean?
We have a right to
It
talk.
is
Should I not
justice
talk?
with me? If you are not doing justice with me,
Mr. Sulaiman,
Yeah.
please hear me. Hear the other side, please.
sir.
You
sir,
please hear the
you
other
have
side, sir.
invited me. Sir,
Thank you.
You have invited me.
I have
Let me
invited,
say
but
what
I also want to get
If you
some of
have
the other
invited me,
panelists to
if
speak,
you want
Mr.
to give
Sulaiman.
respect to me, listen me what I want to say. At least listen me what I want to say. But you are not ready to listen. What does it mean? What does it mean?
Mr. Sulaiman, are you ready to listen
What
to
does
the
it
fact that 56% of the
Please.
75,000 Waqf properties in Punjab are disputed?
I know more.
Mr.
facts
Sulaiman,
than
I
you.
also know.
You first-
Mr. Sulaiman,
you first
in Maharashtra, the Waqf has claimed land around the Mahadev Mandir in Kolhapur. Around the Mahadev Mandir in Kolhapur, the Waqf is trying to say that the land of the Mahadev Mandir in Kolhapur. That is wrong, Mr. Sulaiman. It is wrong.
My opinion, you want
Mahadev Mandir in Kolhapur, they want the land of that place.
What you are behaving
It's a
with me?
matter sub judice. You cannot take a side. Do you believe you have faith in the Indian judiciary or not? It's a sub judice matter. How can you take a side, Arnab? It is highly shameful. Why don't you clearly declare yourself as a pro-Hindu
He will
anchor, a
always take a side. He
pro-Hindu
will
media
always take a
person?
side.
You said pro-Muslim Congress
always
party. Are
take a
you a
side.
pro-Hindu anchor?
It is his
Are you
bent
a
of mind to
mute?
One minute, Tala, one minute, listen to me, Tala. The Waqf Board has claimed the Hotel Marriott. The Waqf Board has claimed the Hotel Marriott in Telangana. The Waqf Board has claimed 93 properties for which free patta was given to the Devendra Kulla Velalar community in Tamil Nadu. In Rajasthan, the Waqf Board has requested more money to pay salaries despite having 18,000 properties.
21st century is
You
Mr.
want me to be
Goswami.
quiet about these cases of clear injustice? You don't want to listen.
You don't know.
And you say you're going to have a Shaheen Bagh movement. You cannot have a Shaheen Bagh movement. It's undemocratic.
Acres of Waqf properties.
You are
Why don't you speak up for more than 10 lakhs of Hindu Endowment Board properties only in 4 states like Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha? Hindu endowment boards have more than 10 lakh acres of properties in only 4 states. But you're not vocal about that. You're not worried about that. You have objections over 6 lakh acres of land of the Waqf throughout the India. If I speak up about UP or if I speak about Madhya Pradesh, that tally would go to some higher figure. But you don't care. Why don't you
can't be alone
say
to
that a
yourself,
Muslim should
Tala.
be in the Hindu
Tala, you
board?
can't,
If you
there has to be
want a
inclusive
Hindu-
representation in the
if you
Waqf
want a
Board.
Hindu
And
Waqf
this
board,
2024 bill
why don't you
allows the
advocate
government
for
to
a
appoint
Hindu
non-Muslim.
endowment board?
Why can't there be a
don't you
non-Muslim
advocate for
CEO?
allowing a Muslim in Hindu endowment board?
Why can't
You are
there
so
be
vocal about-
non-Muslim members in the Waqf boards?
Why
Why
can't
not?
there be a Muslim member in the endowment board?
No, why
can't
not?
there be a
I am
Muslim
asking you,
member?
why not?
Why don't you advocate for that? Come on, speak up for that.
Why should
Tell your
Waqf
favorite
boards?
government, tell
Why should
CMO
now?
to
Come on,
include
tell
Muslims in
me.
Hindu
Why should
endowment
Waqf boards?
Come on,
Why
tell
should
me.
Waqf? Come on, Tala. Why should Waqf boards handling thousands and thousands of crores in assets be exempt from diverse governance and diverse accountability?
In the same-
We are, after all, a
Yes,
secular
I'll tell
country.
you. I'll tell you why. Listen to me. The same way, the Hindu endowment boards in only 4 states, Kotli, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha own more than 10 lakh.
No religion
crores of
other than
land.
no
If they
original
can
religion
vote,
other than
the
Islam
Waqf
has the
board
board
can
with
vote
such
6
extreme
acres of land.
powers.
Only
Is there
4
such a
states
board
own
for
more than
Sikhs?
6
Is there
acres
such a
of
board
land.
for Jains? Is there such a board for Buddhists or Parsis or Zoroastrians?
Yeah, that's
No,
not
there
bad.
isn't.
What is Hindu? If the
No,
Hindu
there isn't, there
endowment board
isn't.
can be there, a Waqf board also can be there. The Waqf is the essential religious
We are
practice
a
of Muslims
pluralistic
being
country. You
followed
want to break
in
the country's
centuries.
pluralism.
It's a part of constitutional fundamental rights. Article 25.
Well, you don't know the law. The
You are
Supreme
denying
Court
that. You are
has called
speaking
for
against
restraint
the
on freedom of religion, subject to restraints. Subject to restraints. Read the law. Read the law.
You need to read the law. Go ahead and go through the constitution which you do not believe in. Do you believe in Indian constitution?
Well, I believe that you should know what the Supreme Court has said, and you listen to me, Tala. Tala, listen to me. Tala, listen, I'll educate you. I'll educate you now. I'll educate you now.
Are you a pro-Muslim anchor or are you a pro-Hindu anchor? Come on, the nation wants to
Hey,
know.
listen, I am a pro-nation anchor. Don't divide my country on the basis of religion.
You can.
Don't
How
divide
can
my
you
country.
divide a-
Don't divide my country, Tala. Don't polarize my country. Don't start a Shaheen Bagh movement. Don't burn the streets. Don't block the roads. Let the country be peaceful and prosperous.
Why do you want to demonize the Muslims?
I know Rahul
Why do you
Gandhi is
call
supporting
Congress
you.
a pro-Muslim party?
I know,
Is that
Kapil, we
is
all
that
know
a
Rahul Gandhi is
religion?
supporting them.
That is
We know
our
Rahul Gandhi is
ideology.
supporting them.
That is what
Because
I
you want the
to
Muslim
make
vote,
clear.
Rahul Gandhi is
Loud
supporting them.
declaration.
Rahul Gandhi is
People should
supporting
know,
them. Am I
people
right
should
or
know.
wrong, Kapil?
Can I just-
Rahul
can I
Gandhi is
just-
supporting a Shaheen
can I-
Bagh movement.
can I
And we
just-
will
can I
not
give
forgive
you very
you.
quick-
If you have a Shaheen
No.
Bagh movement in this country, we don't want that. We want to be the world's third
Can I-
largest economy, the most powerful country in the world
Hold on,
with
hold
unity,
on, hold
not
on,
a
hold on,
country in
hold
which
on.
cricket
Have some
in which
hold
cricket
on.
supporters
Yes.
are
I'm
attacked
responding,
by a
yes.
mob like it happened in
Yes,
Mao.
yes,
We know Rahul
yes,
Gandhi is
yes.
supporting a Shaheen
Yes,
Bagh movement,
yes.
but don't do that.
Yes,
You supported a
yes.
Shaheen Bagh movement, you lost another election. You know, the
Now-
majority in
now
the
allow me
people,
to-
large number,
allow me to make my
99% of the people in this
Allow me to
country are
make my point,
nationalists.
Arnab. Allow me, hold on.
You
Hold
don't
on. Allow me to-
don't start a Shaheen Bagh.
These are all
91% of people are with me
Allow me to
tonight.
make a quick point here. When BJP was in power, they used to continuously...
When? The BJP is still in
No,
power. 1 minute.
No, when
What do you
BJP
mean
was
when?
not in power. When BJP was not in
तो
power...
सोच समझ के
before
बोलिए ना
2014,
क्या बोल रहे हैं when BJP was in power?
तो 2014 से पहले बीजेपी प्रोटेस्ट नहीं करती थी क्या फूड सिक्योरिटी एक्ट के अगेंस्ट बीजेपी ने प्रोटेस्ट नहीं किया
सड़कें
क्या
बंद
जब
की,
आधार introduce
शाहीन
हुआ,
बाग मॉडल
क्या
चलाई,
BJP ने
टूल किट
protest
गैंग
नहीं
को
किया?
बाहर किया,
Hold on,
विदेशी
hold on.
विदेशी
BJP ने
ताकतों के साथ
protest
हाथ
किया,
मिलाई,
नहीं किया?
डीप
Hold
स्टेट
on.
का
BJP ने
सहायता
protest
लिया,
किया कि नहीं किया? No, allow me.
डीप स्टेट की हेल्प ली,
I know
इलान
these
ओमर के साथ
facts.
समिट मीटिंग की.
So hold on.
नहीं होल्ड ऑन क्या है? कमला हैरिस के साथ हाथ मिलाई देशद्रोहियों के साथ।
Facts are very inconvenient for you.
Inconvenient?
Very inconvenient for you.
Open the debate.
2014 elections, if BJP was doing protests, would you call them anti-national?
ये क्या
I ask
protest
this
है?
question. No, would you call them anti-national or not?
With my dear
Would you
friend
call them
Donald Trump.
anti-national or not?
ये प्रोटेस्ट नहीं है, शाहीन बाग इज नॉट प्रोटेस्ट।
2014 से पहले,
शाहीन बाग
2014
प्रोटेस्ट
से
नहीं है,
पहले,
आप
तो
चक्का जाम
2014
कराना
से
चाहते हैं
पहले।
देश भर में,
Okay,
इसको
now-
प्रोटेस्ट
now-
नहीं
now-
कहते।
now
ये
again,
राष्ट्र
again,
विरोधी काम मत
in
कीजिए कपिल
2020
मदान जी।
also, in 2020
अपराजिता will respond.
No, in 2020
You are-
farmers
Rahul Gandhi
happened,
wants to start a Shaheen
and
Bagh movement.
our
I'm telling you, I can
honorable
understand
Prime
what they are
Minister
doing.
apologized when those farm laws were revoked. What do you call them now? What do you call them now? आप उनको भी ऐसे ही बोलोगे? What do you call them now?
अरे इलेक्शन जीत लो ना,
Prime Minister
पार्लियामेंट में
wrong?
कराइए ना,
Was
क्या
the
सड़कों
Prime
में
Minister
जाके
wrong?
200 लोगों को लेके
No,
सड़कों में
no.
जाके रास्ता बंद
No.
कराना, ये आपकी पॉलिटिक्स है, ये पॉलिटिक्स है आपकी। 200 लोग, अरे म्युनिसिपैलिटी सीट जीत नहीं सकते हो और देश भर में चक्का जाम कराएंगे आप लोग, क्या समझते हैं अपने आप को?
अच्छा, कौन सी पार्टी ने सबसे ज्यादा जनरल इलेक्शन हारे हैं ये बताओ?
19 पर ये
कांग्रेस पार्टी हार रही है, हारती रहेगी।
अरे Arnab, go check the data. Check the data. How can you be so naive to even make this
ये
kind of
डेटा
mistake?
वेटा की बात
We all
नहीं है।
know-
यू आर फॉर ट्रिपल तलाक,
We know
यू
which
आर
is the
फॉर
party
निकाह हलाला
maximum number of
एंड यू आर
elections
फॉर शाहीन बाग। मैं जानता हूं आपको कपिल मदान, आप कांग्रेस पार्टी यही कराना चाहती है, आग लगाना चाहती है कांग्रेस पार्टी देश को।
I am
डोंट यू
sorry,
थिंक आई
Arnab,
नो
you
योर
were just trying
इंटेंशंस?
to- You were just trying to spread misinformation.
एंड मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं मोहम्मद सुलेमान और तलाम रशीदी इस कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ कोई समझौता मत
Which
कीजिए।
Prime Minister Modi's government
Aparajita.
wants to bring about.
अपराजिता ऑन द डिबेट। यस
Yes, I
अपराजिता,
fail to understand, are these people against reforms by the government? You know, this is a very, very positive approach towards things on the ground. There is huge encroachment of the Waqf properties. Most of the ASI properties have been declared Waqf properties by these people. Don't you think we should free all these Archaeological Survey of India properties from the hands of these people? So
Aparajita,
there has
let
to
me give you
be
very
law,
quick
there has to
response.
be order, there has to be discipline, there has to be land free from encroachment, there should be no vested interest.
Can I
The
give you a very
Muttawali, the
quick response?
caretaker, should have more income in the hands. State Waqf
Can I-
boards and the central
can I-
Waqf
can I
councils
just
must
वो प्लीज जाइए,
function
देश की इकोनॉमी
properly.
बचाइए।
That's the intention of the government.
रेल हादसे रोक लीजिए, ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट्स रोक लीजिए, रोजाना ट्रेन
That's
एक्सीडेंट्स
the
हो रहे हैं वो रोक
intention of the
लीजिए।
government.
देश की इकोनॉमी
In the
बैकवर्ड जा रही है।
JPC also, in all
ठीक
the
है, आप-
38 sittings.
आप सड़कों
all
से
these
दूर रहिए।
Congress people and
बढ़ती
other
महंगाई
political
रोक-
अरे आप
parties.
सड़कों से दूर रहिए, आप उभरते हुए नेता बनना चाहते हैं, आप समाजवादी पार्टी से टिकट मांग रहे हैं। मैं जानता हूं तलाम में रशीदी, आप समाजवादी पार्टी से इलेक्शन लड़ना चाहते हैं, मगर उसका मतलब नहीं है कि आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगी जब आप सड़कों पर उतर जाएंगे। सड़कों से दूर रहिए, सड़कों से दूर रहिए।
अर्नब गोस्वामी आर्टिकल 19
अर्नब गोस्वामी का नाम व्यर्थ में मत लो तलाम में रशीदी। आप लोग ये जो करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं ना, यू वांट टू ब्लॉक द रोड्स ऑफ माय कंट्री, डू यू थिंक आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड? मैं समझता नहीं हूं।
You don't understand. You don't have faith in article or in the constitution.
What you are
of
doing
India.
is the
You don't have
toolkit
faith in
gang brigade.
the secular state of India. You don't have faith in its
Why are you
constitution.
shouting? I mean, full of sound and fury,
अरे,
signifying nothing.
मोहतरमा
What is your
मोहतरमा मैं
content?
बहुत
What is your
अदब के साथ
argument
आपसे गुजारिश कर
against
रहा
the
हूँ।
Waqf
मोहतरमा का नाम
Act?
अपराजिता सारंगी है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सांसद है, इलेक्शन जीत के आई है। आप तो काउंसिलर का इलेक्शन नहीं जीत सकते, मगर सड़क पे आके सड़क को रोकना जानते हैं। यही आपकी जी।
JPC की मेंबर भी थी,
छोड़िए,
वक्त
मैं
JPC
चैलेंज
की
करता हूं
मेंबर
आपको
भी हूँ,
चैलेंज।
याद रखिए।
प्रधानी का इलेक्शन जीत कर दिखा दे, मैं मूछ बढ़ा दूंगा। बताइए
मुझे लगता है
आपको मूछ आप रखिए, आपके मूछ से किसी को मतलब नहीं है,
संदेह है।
मतलब है आपके अप्रोच के साथ। यू गॉट अ रॉन्ग अप्रोच।
Have you gone through the 40
Ladies and gentlemen, please start a campaign against Rahul Gandhi's attempt to start another Shaheen Bagh. Rahul Gandhi is a destructive style in politics. He wants to start Shaheen Bagh. He wants to burn the streets of the country, and we must stop him, ladies and gentlemen.